Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix ghost blocks in Minecraft. This issue usually happens when your game and server gets out of sync, so block appears in the world but does not update or break properly. First, let's go ahead and try breaking the block. Let's say this is the block that is the ghost. So I'll just go ahead and break it just like so. Just wait for a few seconds because sometimes it just needs time to sync. Next move, just go ahead and move away from the area and come back to reload the chunks. This forces the world to refresh. If that does not work, disconnect from the world or server and rejoin again and reset the block. You can also go ahead and restart Minecraft completely to refresh all the game and world information. If you are playing on a multiplayer server, make sure your internet is stable because lag can cause ghost block. And also, if you are using any mods, just go ahead and disable them temporarily and test again. Some mods can interfere with block updates. So basically, the simple rule is when your game and server are out of sync, ghost block appears, and reconnecting and refreshing chunks usually fixes it, and that's it. We just learned how to fix ghost block in Minecraft by refreshing chunk, rejoining the world, checking internet connection, and restarting the game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.